So, how long does that new car feeling last? It can last a lifetime with regular visits to the Mopar service lane. Preventative maintenance from the experts not only helps extend that new car feeling, it can literally extend the very life of the vehicle. And the people who can help aren't just mechanics anymore. They're factory-trained technicians who totally understand the realities of today's driving environment and only use genuine Mopar replacement parts because it's a rough world out there for vehicles nowadays. The average commute to work is 8.7 kilometers, one way. And most people own their vehicles for 9 to 10 years and put 20 to 25,000 kilometers on their vehicles every single year. That's a lot of kilometers and a lot of wear and tear, and plenty of reason to have an extended vehicle protection plan. Protect your investment and help extend the life of your vehicle with regular visits to the Mopar service lane.